All right, this lesson is 8E, focusing on inverse. So the definition of an inverse is taking an if-then statement. So this symbol right here, if you remember, is an implication, or an if-then statement. To create an inverse statement, the symbol we use is right here in the blue. And what you're doing is you're negating, you're taking the opposite values, truth values, for the P and Q. So to help you with your truth table, all of them are going to be true except for when you have a true false. So to create your truth table for an inverse, these are your original propositions, P and Q. You have to negate P. So if this is true, the opposite would be false. If this is true, the opposite is false. If this is false, then this is true. If this is false, then this is true. You do the same thing for Q. You're going to negate Q. Since this is true, the opposite is false. If this is false, then that's true. If this is false or true, then this is false. False and then true. Okay, let me erase that because it's getting kind of messy there. Now, to complete the inverse truth values, you're looking at column 3 and column 4. And all of them are going to be true except for when you have a true false, which is that third row. So that's the one that's not true. The rest of them will all be true. So this is true, and true, and true. Notice that the truth table for an converse and an inverse are the same. So we talked about that on the first video right here. The truth table values, true, true, false, true. And this one, true, true, false, true. They are the same. So I'll go ahead and highlight that. The converse and the inverse of an implication are logically equivalent. All right, so here's an example of an inverse. So first we'll state the if-then statement. So that's your implication, P then Q. How you say this is, here's proposition P. If it rains, then I will get wet. So wet would be the proposition Q. To create the inverse of that statement, you negate the P and the Q. So how I'd be saying is, if it does not rain, then I will not get wet.